I don't feel like it's probably the worst sentence you can tell yourself. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen. Here I talk about psychological and physical health and how both of these are connected. If this is something that you're interested in, then remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you know the next time a new video is released. If you are just seeing me for the first time, thank you for watching this video and I hope that you enjoy it. Okay, so as you guys are aware, I'm on a journey to personal growth and personal enhancement and self-development and all of that stuff. Like I've said before, it is my hope to create a community where people share their growth and are willing to explore, the different sides of themselves, just to see what they are capable of. And during the last week, I ran into a channel called Yes Theory, and when I found this channel, I was so excited. It's like I've been looking for it all my life. I know it's almost like an exaggeration, but I'm very serious. When something just speaks to you, that channel literally speaks directly to me. And I'm very sure for millions of people, because they have like millions of subscribers, so that means people are actually enjoying their content and people are actually getting the message. Like their theory is literally it's exactly as its name says, yes, like yes to everything. How will I put it? Yes to everything. No, just there is no point saying no to anything. I mean, apart from some things, that's an exaggeration. But you know how we find it difficult to take a step. We find it difficult to just do something because one, we're scared, or two, we don't feel like it, or three, I don't know, we give unnecessary excuses. This channel literally helps you to push yourself beyond your comfort zone. Their motto is like, seek discomfort. And if you want growth in your life, which is what I've been trying to say this whole time, you literally have to seek discomfort. I'm not trying to steal their motto, but I'm trying to explain why I found this channel, why I'm so connected to it. Is that when you want to grow, you have to leave your comfort zone. You have to find and seek discomfort. The minute you start getting uncomfortable where you are, it means that you need a change. It means that you need growth. It means that you need something to move. You need to find something to do so that you are actually out of that state of just normal, just that state of normalcy, if that's even a word. So yeah, I found the channel, and their channel is just, it has a bunch of things in it. It has like, you guys really need to go watch it. If you've not heard about what's it called, if you've not heard about Yes Theory, you should really go and check their channel out. I think one of my favorite episodes is when they found two different strangers to switch lives for 72 hours for 3 days. These people don't even know themselves. They don't know these people, and they just found two complete strangers to switch lives. And I was just there thinking, imagine somebody walked up to me and goes, "Oh, Queen, move to," not even, these people didn't just switch lives, like they moved across countries, and lived in each other's lives. I was like, if Queen, someone comes here and goes, "Oh, Queen, just move to someone's house in the same state, in the same city," I'll be like, absolutely not. But then when I watched that episode, I was just like, it's only for 3 days. Like, switch your life for 3 days, switch your routine for 3 days, break out of the normal cycle that you're always having, like the repeated movements, like Monday to Friday is the same thing, Saturday, weekends are the exact same thing. You're not doing anything out of the ordinary. You're not doing anything to actually grow. You're just repeating the same cycle. And if someone just goes like, "Oh, Queen, do you want to switch lives with me? Do you want to switch lives with a complete stranger?" That would scare the crap out of me. I won't even lie. But then that episode showed me so much that there is so much to life. There is so much to life than what we can see. There is so much to life if we just let ourselves explore. If we just let ourselves be aware of the things that are right in front of us. You don't actually have to like stand up and switch your whole life, but you can change your routine, you can change your thought process, you can change your habits, you can change your what you do for fun, you can change your circle, you can expand your circle, you can learn more with books, with, I don't know, art, with music, with food, with humans, anything. Just seek discomfort. I'm literally using their motto right now, but like, seek discomfort. If you guys want to know more about this community, this channel, I'm going to put their link to their channel in the description box below, and then you can check it. That's just what I wanted to share with you guys today, that you should find a way to grow. Like, if you feel like you're constantly being the same place, then it's because you are not necessarily doing anything to change, you're not necessarily doing anything to grow, you are not necessarily doing anything to seek to seek discomfort. Sometimes when we are asked to do something, we go like, oh, I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it will not get you growth. I don't feel like it will not get anything done. Oh, I'm not in the mood, will not change anything. All of those things are excuses that just hold you back to not getting anything done. I don't feel like it is probably the worst sentence you can tell yourself. Whether you feel like it or not, the question is, will it benefit you? It doesn't matter whether you feel like it or not. Will it benefit you? Will it produce growth? Will it produce increase? Will it take you to the destination that you're trying to get to? If the answer is yes, then you should probably do it. Other than that, I don't feel like it is crap. I am so happy to share this information. If you guys have anything, you would like me to talk about, then let me know in the comment section below, and I will try and get everything done as soon as I can. It has been a mad week. I have had a wonderful week. I mean, I didn't really do anything, but it was just a lovely week and I was just happy. I was happy to be alive. And even if things are getting a little bit stressful, I'm trying to find calm and peace and just, positivity where I am at. I'm trying not to get overwhelmed by the things I have to do and by the decisions I have to make, because your girl has some decisions to make, but it's just one step at a time, one day at a time, and I'm going to do my very best to grow every single day, every single week. And sometimes it's not easy, but the point is, you just don't stay. Just because it's not easy doesn't mean it can't be done or you shouldn't do it. Even if it's not easy, get it done. And that's what I'm trying to do every single day, every single week. And some days are better than some other days, and some weeks are better than some other weeks, but point is, get it done. Remember to like this video if you like it, and share it. Don't forget to check the description box to find out all the information concerning this video and where you can find Yes Theory channel. And also share this video with anyone you think would enjoy it. Subscribe, all of that. And I hope to see you guys next time. Stay safe.